studied distance formula to find out the distance between any two points. Let's suppose the coordinates of first point is x1, y1 and for coordinates of second point be x2, y2. Then the distance between the 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So using that formula we will find out the distance between these 2 points from practice set 5.1 question number 1. First example we will see. Point A has coordinate 2, 3 and point B has coordinate 4, 1. So we have to find out distance between point A and B. Okay. So students, let coordinates of point 2, 3, let we will assume these coordinates be x1, y1. Okay. And coordinates of point B 4, 1. These coordinates we will assume x2, y2. Okay. Now using distance formula, distance between AB is equal to square root of bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus bracket y2 minus y1 bracket square. Therefore, AB equal to, the student, coordinates of point A we assume x1, y1. That means the value of x1 is 2 and y1 is 3. Okay. Same way here, coordinates of point B we assume x2, y2. So x2 equal to 4 and y2 equal to 1. Okay, this way we have to consider the value. So here we have to first write x2 minus x1 bracket square. So x2 is equal to 4 and x1 is equal to 2. So 4 minus 2 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. y2 is equal to 1 and y1 equal to 3. So 1 minus 3 bracket square. Follow this first step. Okay. Therefore, AB equal to square root of, now here we have to find subtraction, 4 minus 2, 2 square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 square. Okay. Therefore, AB is equal to 2 square is 4 minus 2 square is also plus 4 because square of negative number is positive number. Therefore, AB is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. Now, if it is possible, we will convert this surd into mixed surds that we studied last year. One of the factor must be square number. So, factors of 8 are 4 into 2. AB is equal to 4 into 2. So, square root of 4 is 2. So, AB is equal to 2 root 2. Okay. So, distance between point A and B is 2 root 2. Followed? Understood how to apply distance formula? One more example we will solve. Second example. Points are given P and Q. Coordinates of point P are minus 5, 7 and coordinates of point Q are minus 1, 3. So same way, let me assume coordinates of point P be x1, y1 and coordinates of point Q be x2, y2. Followed? using distance formula, PQ is equal to square root of bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Therefore, PQ is equal to bracket. Now here x2 is equal to minus 1 and x1 is equal to minus 5. So bracket minus 1 minus bracket minus 5 bracket square. So student, where the negative coordinates are given, you should be careful. Minus 1, this minus sign, and x1 is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 I wrote in bracket. Plus y2 minus y1 square. y2 is 3, y1 is 7. So 3 minus 7 square. Therefore, PQ is equal to square root minus 1. Now this minus into minus will become plus. So plus 5 bracket square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 bracket square. Therefore, PQ is equal to square root minus 1 plus 5, 5 minus 1, 4 plus minus 4 square. Four square is 16, minus 4 square is also 16. So 16 plus 16, 32. Now factors of 32 are 16 into 2. Square root of 16 is 4 and root 2. So distance between point P and Q are 4 root 2. Follow how to find out the distance between any two points using distance formula. Question number 2. Determine whether the points are collinear. And first question is, point A is having coordinates 1, minus 3. Coordinates of point B are 2, minus 5. Coordinates of point C are minus 4, 7. And we have to decide whether these points are collinear or non-collinear. Students, we studied the betweenness in 9th standard. If three points are on the same line, means they are collinear, then they have the relation A dash, B dash, C. If A dash, B dash, C, that means B is between A and C, then we will have the relation AB plus BC is equal to AC. If they are collinear. Okay. Now, the question is in reverse order. Coordinates are given and we have to decide they are collinear or not. Means we have to first identify whether they have the relation that AB plus BC is equal to AC. If this relation is present here, then we can say that the points are collinear. And to find out this relation, first we have to find out distance between these two points. The distance between two points is also considered as the length of the segment joining these points. Okay. So using distance formula we can find out distance. First we will take AB points. Let coordinates of point A are 1, minus 3. We will consider it as x1, y1. And coordinates of point B 2, minus 5 we will consider as x2, y2. Okay, so distance formula. Using distance formula. AB is equal to distance formula is square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Therefore, AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. So here 2 minus 1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus bracket minus 3 bracket square. So when negative coordinates are there, be careful. Okay. y2 is minus 5 and y1 is minus 3. Therefore minus 5, this minus sign into minus 3 bracket square. Therefore AB is equal to square root of 2 minus 1, 1 square. Plus, now here we will solve orally. Minus into minus plus. So here we will get minus 5 plus 3. So minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 square. Therefore AB is equal to 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4. Therefore AB is equal to 5. Okay, so root 5 is irrational number. We can't find its square root. So keep it as it is. Give your statement number 1. Okay, now we will find out distance between B and C, means BC. Okay, now we will not write formula here again and again. Now we know that x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So according to that, here x2 minus x1 minus 4 minus 2 plus y2 minus y1 square 7 minus minus 5 bracket square. Follow this? So therefore BC is equal to square root minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 square plus minus into minus plus and 7 plus 5, 12. Therefore BC is equal to minus 6 square is 36 plus 12 square is 144. So BC is equal to 36 plus 144. 4 plus 6, 10, carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 180. Now we will find out factors of 180. Okay, so 36 into 5. 36 square root is 6. So BC equal to, we will get 6 root 5. Here statement number 2. Then we will find out AC. AB, BC and now AC. So x2 minus x1 minus 4 minus 1 square plus y2 minus y1 square 7 minus minus 3 square minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 square plus minus minus become plus. So 7 plus 3, 10 square. For AC equal to 5 square is 25, 10 square is 100. Therefore, AC is equal to square root 125. Factors of 125 is 25 5s are. Square root of 25 is 5. So AC equal to, we will get 5 root 5. This is our statement number 3. Okay. Now from 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3. Here we can see in 1 we got root 5, 6 root 5 and 5 root 5. So we can say that root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal to 6 root 5. Root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal to 6 root 5. Okay, root 5 is the distance between A and B. So AB plus 5 root 5 is the distance between AC. And 6 root 5 is the distance between BC. So here we got AB plus AC is equal to BC, means we got between this relation. Therefore, points A, B and C are collinear. Okay, this way we can decide the given points are collinear or non-collinear. Followed? We will see one more example from question number 2. Points are given L, M, N and their coordinates are given. So we will decide whether they are collinear or non-collinear. First we will find out distance between point L and M. LM. According to formula, x2 minus x1 square means 1 minus minus 2 plus y2 minus y1 square minus 3 minus 3 square. Here this minus into minus will become plus and we will get 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 square plus minus 3 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 bracket square. Therefore LM is equal to 3 square 9, 6 square 36. Now 9 plus 36 we will get 45. Factors of 45 are 9 into 5. Square root of 9 is 3. So we will get 3 root 5. LM is equal to 3 root 5. This is statement number 1. Okay. We can directly now substitute because this question is 3 marks question. Okay. If it is only find the distance between 2 points, then you have to write the formula and then substitute. Now we will find out MN. x2 minus x1 square, 5 minus 1 square plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus minus 3 square. Five minus 1, 4. Minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 3, 7 square. Four square is 16, 7 square is 49. Nine plus 6, 15, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 65. Statement number 2. Now we will find out ln. ln is equal to square root x2 minus x1 means 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 square plus y2 minus y1. 4 minus 3 square. Therefore, ln is equal to this minus into minus plus 5 plus 2 7 square. 4 plus 3 1 square. 7 square is 49 plus 1. 49 plus 1 50. Factors of 50 are 25 into 2. 25 to the 50. Therefore, ln is equal to 5 root 2. This is statement number 3. Okay. Now from 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3. Now which is the which is the greater length? Root 65. But the sum of these two numbers 3 root 5 plus 5 root 2 is not equal to root 65. See, 3 root 5 plus 5 root 2 is not equal to root 65. 3 root 5 is the length of segment ln. So ln plus ln is not equal to mn. So we are not getting here betweenness relation. So these points are not collinear. Therefore, points L, M and N are non-collinear.